If you're looking for an eggplant recipe, you're in luck today because these are my 3 favorite ones. Our antipasto is an involtini di melanzane. Our side dish, which is perfect to go with steak, is melanzane a funghetto and the classic Napolitan eggplant parm. For today's 2 recipes, you're going to need eggplants, tomato sauce, fresh mozzarella, basil, prosciutto, Parmesan cheese, Parmigiano Reggiano will be best, olive oil, cherry tomatoes, onion, garlic, salt and pepper. This is not just an emoji. Our first recipe is going to be eggplant rolls with mozzarella and prosciutto. We're going to remove the top and then we're going to cut it in thin slices. Don't cut them too thin because it's going to be difficult when you're going to fry them. They're going to fall apart. If there is a step that you shouldn't skip, this is the one. Eggplants contain a compound that makes them bitter. You can simply get rid of it by dipping it in water and salt. We're going to let it rest for 30 minutes. Layer the eggplant on a paper towel or a towel and then we're going to try to squeeze out as much butter as possible. No need for an egg wash, we're just gonna drop it quickly in some flour just so it doesn't suck too much oil when we're gonna fry it and it makes a nice crisp. We're gonna cook each side for 2.5 minutes at 350 Fahrenheit or until golden brown. You can always bake it or roast it so it's healthier, but trust me, it's not gonna taste the same. So we fried our eggplant, now we're gonna add some prosciutto, mozzarella, and we make a little roll. We're gonna bake these in the oven for 350 for 10-15 minutes. Our second recipe is melanzane a funghetto, which in Italian means mushroom eggplant. You're gonna need to cut it in thicker slices. And we're gonna need cherry tomatoes and garlic. Really make sure you squeeze all the water out. Cut the eggplant in cubes. These ones we're gonna fry as it is for 10 minutes or until golden brown. We're going to take a handful of tomatoes and cut them in half. First fry them with the garlic for a couple of minutes and then we're gonna add our eggplant, salt, pepper, and basil and let it cook for another 5 minutes. For the eggplant parm, you're also going to need to cut thin slices. Our main ingredients are going to be mozzarella, Parmesan cheese obviously, and tomato sauce. Drop it in the flour. While we fry the eggplant, we're going to start the sauce. But first, if you made it this far, consider giving me a big like and subscribe if you want to see more of this content. Okay, so for the sauce, we're going to need olive oil and we're going to cut the onion in slices first and then cube. You're gonna cook it for 10 minutes or until they start to caramelize. Don't let them burn. When they start looking like this, just add the sauce. Salt, pepper to taste, and basil. Cook it in low heat for 15 minutes. We're gonna layer it just as we would a lasagna. Sauce first, a layer of eggplant, more sauce, mozzarella. If there's some empty spaces, it doesn't matter. Everything will come together. I like to finish it with a thick layer of sauce. Top it with Parmesan cheese, and this is going in the oven for 35 minutes at 350. Let me know in the comment which one was your favorite. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.